Could allergies have led to the extinction of woolly mammoths? Scientists have made a fascinating discovery that adds a surprising twist to the story of woolly mammoth extinction. These ancient creatures might have suffered from seasonal allergies.
My sinuses!
While we typically think of allergies as a modern inconvenience, new research suggests they might have played a role in the disappearance of these magnificent Ice Age giants. Woolly mammoths roamed across Europe, North America, and Asia until about 4,000 years ago. These elephant-like creatures were well adapted to cold climates, with their thick fur coats and impressive tusks helping them survive in harsh conditions. However, as the Ice Age came to an end and global temperatures began to warm, their world started to change dramatically. A team of international researchers has recently proposed that as the climate warmed, new types of plants began spreading across mammoth territories. These plants produced much more pollen than the vegetation mammoths were used to. Just like how many of us suffer from hay fever today, these ancient beasts might have developed allergic reactions to the increasing amounts of pollen in their environment. I will add the link to the original article in the notes below. What makes this theory particularly interesting is how these allergies might have affected the mammoth's survival. Unlike humans who might just get a runny nose and itchy eyes, these allergic reactions could have seriously impaired the mammoth's keen sense of smell. For a woolly mammoth, losing their ability to smell properly would have been devastating. They relied on their nose to find food, detect approaching predators, and locate potential mates. To support this theory, scientists have found evidence of certain proteins called immunoglobulins in preserved mammoth remains from Siberia. These proteins are produced by the body during allergic reactions, similar to when we get hay fever. This is the first time researchers have found such ancient evidence of allergic responses, making it a groundbreaking discovery.
He keeps making this noise. Whoa, what in the woolly mammoth was that?
It sounded like Snurf.
While this allergy theory is still being tested, it adds another piece to the puzzle of mammoth extinction. Scientists already knew that factors like hunting by humans, climate change, and breeding between related mammoths played a role in their disappearance. Now, it seems that something as seemingly simple as pollen allergies might have contributed to the downfall of these prehistoric giants. Researchers are continuing to study mammoth remains, looking for more evidence to confirm this theory. They're examining preserved stomach contents and fossilized dung for signs of pollen-producing plants, and studying other markers that might indicate allergic reactions. If confirmed, this discovery would show how even relatively small changes in an environment can have dramatic effects on the survival of a species.